Hey everyone, Joe, co-founder and CEO of Supademo here. We're super excited to announce our upcoming March launch week, which we're packing with some game-changing features that will take your product demos to the next level. Starting in mid-March, we'll be launching a brand new batch of features every single weekday. But for those of you who want a quick preview, here's what we're launching. First, we're excited to fully roll out HTML-based interactive demos. It helps you create high-fidelity, pixel-perfect front-end clones of your product for use as guided demos or sandbox demos. These are ideal for use cases like POCs, sales collateral, or as polished website product tours. Next up, we've got some slick design improvements. This includes an array of new hotspot options, an alignment ruler, an enhanced progress bar, and a vastly improved mobile viewing experience. As a result, your demos will look sharper and more personalized than ever before. Third on our list is our new translations module, which is here to break language barriers. Now, any Supademo can go multilingual with switchable, region-specific text and voiceovers in just a few clicks. We're also announcing advanced forms, which you can leverage to add custom native forms to any Supademo and watch those responses sync seamlessly with your Supademo analytics and external CRM, helping you capture better data for better decision making. And last but not least, Windows users, this one's for you. Our desktop app is being released in beta form, letting you record any Windows app or multiple windows effortlessly. Ultimately, this launch week is all about empowering you to create demos that wow, engage, and convert more of your audience. So stay tuned for Supademo's launch week to learn more about how you can create higher converting interactive demos for any use case. Thanks.